what a good friend you are. What a good friend you are. Yes, you are, Hector. Hector is such a good friend. He's here with you. He's here with you. Yes, he is. He is. We know you don't feel well. Dutchie's here with you, too. Dutchie's here with you, too. Hi, Duchess. Look at Hector. He's concerned. He's so concerned. Yes. He's very concerned. Duchess is concerned, too. I know. Yes, I know. Yeah, you don't feel good. You're gonna take a nap and you'll feel better. Yes. Oh, what a good friend. Oh, and yes, you too. You too. And you too. You lay down on your pillow and you... Yes. And Hector's here with you. He doesn't want to leave your side. You just can't seem to scare him off. He doesn't want to leave your side. Yeah. Oh, yes, I love you. Oh, yes, I know. Oh, my goodness, yes. Hector is such a good friend. And so is Duchess. She's such a good friend, too. She's such a good friend, too. 3 good friends. 3 good friends, I know. I love you. And I love you, and yeah. Look out, Duchess, no. We love you, too, 'cause you're a good, loving boy, too. Oh, Duchess, you're just hogging the show here. Yes. I love you. Oh, my good babies, yes. Yes. You too, I know. Yes, I love you, Mommy. Oh, what a good, sweet baby you are. What a good friend. I love you. You're such a good... Duchess, no. You're such a... Oh, lucky. Yeah, Hector wants to have love, too. I know.